Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar finally did make a pretty significant move down, is finally breaking some structure. I think at this point it probably is more likely to either go down to the 38 or the 50. It seems like the most likely area to see some pretty significant support. I would like to see some sort of a three-way pattern down, maybe something like this, at a Fibonacci level with a nice engulfing move up. I still think this is likely to be either a wave A or 1. I do suspect wave 1. I still think this is either a wave B or wave 2, and I do suspect wave 2. And I still think this is either going to go up for a wave C or a wave 3, just like I was explaining in this morning's pound dollar video. And I kind of suspected it's more likely to be a 1, 2, and 3. Now, we do have interest rate news coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that interest rate news. So definitely make sure you stop in tomorrow to watch that interest rate news, and we'll watch together and find out what that news event is going to do. It's going to be a pretty big news event for the dollar. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.